Hey, if you want to download watch faces on your Redmi Watch 4, let me quickly show you how we can do this. So we'll have to actually grab our smartphone and we'll have to actually go straight into the Mi Fitness application. And now we will actually start from this screen. So we'll have to scroll down, go into the Manage Watch Faces. And now, as you can see, we can find the online watch faces that we can actually download. We can also get, for example, some popular watch faces. So this is actually the most popular that people are downloading. Let's say that I want to get, for example, this one. So all I have to do is just to click apply. And now I have to wait for this installation process. Okay, as you can see right now, I can find this new watch face on my Redmi Watch 4. And that's how it looks. It's quite simple. You can actually download the multiple watch faces if you want. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.